alarm system here. System trouble because I had the breaker cut to this because these alarms sound better when the alarm is the power is off. I don't know why it does that, but fire alarm pull station. This is BG12. I have them unlocked. This is a Adventure Alert Classic fire alarm. This is set on strobe only. We will have audible silence. That's what I figured out how to do audible silence now. I turn on selective silence, that's one of the switches right there. Smoke detectors. Another smoke detector in the kitchen next to my carbon monoxide. And then we got this over here. This one's set on, the horn is on this one. And it's set on 3000 hertz. And we got another pull station. Once again, unlocked, and in every single bedroom there's a smoke detector. But let's get this started. Shall we? Let me show you the other two alarms. We got another one over here, the remote strobe version. And in here we have, in this messy bedroom, people don't like to pick up their clothes. And got this. This is the L series, that's why it looks different. This is set on, if it'll focus. Come on, focus camera. Oh, I just got it. Alright, 185 Canilla setting. And then we'll start testing the alarms. If my camera will focus. There we go. 3, 2, 1. And we got another one. See, we got this one, strobe only. And we got over here this one. And if we go over here in this bathroom, and we're gonna go silence it. Yeah, I did take the door off of it. I did take the door, the cover, and the lock. See, we got audible silence. We also have audible silence over here. See? That's what audible silence is, when the strobe continues to flash. And let's go see the other two flashing. There's this one flashing. And we'll go do the other one. Let's do a re-alarm with the smoke detector. Grab this pen. Now I gotta wait for the thing to come up. There we go. And then we'll pull the... Wait. I don't remember which one I pulled. Did I pull that one? Oh yeah, I pulled that one. Let's pull this one now. And we'll do one more smoke detector. This one up here. Oh, and see, the bedrooms have them too. There's a system sensor i3 smoke detector. as this one is also a System Sensor i3. There we go. Wait for the thing to pop up. Thanks for watching.